Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, like learning, reasoning, problem-solving, understanding language, and recognizing patterns. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already part of our everyday lives, quietly powering everything from the recommendations you get on Netflix and YouTube to voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, spam filters in your email, facial recognition on your smartphone, and even the way your GPS calculates the fastest route home. At its core, AI refers to systems or machines that mimic human cognitive functions, and while it might sound like science fiction, the roots of AI go back to the 1950s, when computer scientists first started imagining how machines could simulate aspects of human thought. Today, AI branches into several subfields, including machine learning, where computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed; deep learning, which is a more advanced type of machine learning that mimics how the human brain processes information through layers of neural networks; and natural language processing, which allows computers to understand and generate human language, like what's happening right now as you listen or read this explanation. AI also plays a huge role in robotics, finance, healthcare, cybersecurity, and even agriculture, enabling faster decisions, more accurate predictions, and automation of repetitive or complex tasks. For example, hospitals use AI to detect diseases like cancer early by analyzing medical images more efficiently than humans can. Banks use AI to detect fraudulent transactions in real time, and self-driving cars rely on AI algorithms to interpret their environment, avoid obstacles, and make split-second decisions. But what makes AI truly powerful is its ability to process and learn from massive amounts of data at lightning speed, far beyond what any human can do. Think about how AI helps Google search understand what you're looking for even if you type with typos, or how social media platforms use AI to curate your feed based on your behavior and interests. That's not magic. It's machine learning models trained on massive datasets to recognize patterns and improve over time. However, with great power comes great responsibility. While AI has enormous potential to improve lives and unlock innovation, it also raises important ethical questions, like how data is collected and used, whether AI is biased or fair, who is accountable for AI decisions, and how it might impact jobs and the economy. These are all hot topics in ongoing discussions about the future of AI and its role in society. Governments, researchers, and companies are now investing heavily in responsible AI, which emphasizes fairness, transparency, and accountability. That's why it's important for everyone, not just tech experts, to have a basic understanding of AI and how it works, because it's influencing the way we work, live, and interact with the world. And it's evolving fast. AI models today can generate realistic images, write essays, translate languages, compose music, and even hold conversations, like the one you're hearing now. These breakthroughs are powered by large-scale language models like ChatGPT, which are trained on billions of pieces of text to understand and generate human-like language. As AI systems become more advanced, the line between machine-generated content and human-created content is starting to blur, which opens new creative possibilities, but also challenges around misinformation and authenticity. Education is key. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or just curious, understanding how AI works can help you use it wisely, avoid being misled, and maybe even start building your own tools with it. It's worth noting that AI isn't one single thing. It's a combination of algorithms, data, and computing power working together to achieve intelligent behavior. Some AI systems are narrow, meaning they're trained to do one thing really well, like recommending products or playing chess. Others aim to be more general, capable of performing a wide range of tasks across different domains. We're not at the stage of artificial general intelligence yet, where machines truly think and understand like humans, but researchers are working toward that goal in both exciting and cautious ways. In the meantime, practical applications of AI are transforming industries. Customer service bots are handling thousands of queries instantly. AI-generated art is opening up new creative frontiers, and smart home devices are making everyday life more efficient. Businesses are using predictive analytics to forecast demand, personalize shopping experiences, and optimize logistics. In education, AI tutors are helping students learn at their own pace, while in entertainment, algorithms are creating music, writing scripts, and even animating films. Whether we realize it or not, AI is woven into the fabric of our digital experience. It's not just about robots or futuristic sci-fi. It's about using smart systems to solve real-world problems, save time, and open up possibilities we couldn't imagine before. The key takeaway is that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human intelligence, and how we design, regulate, and interact with it will shape the future of our world. It's important to remain informed, critical, and creative as AI continues to evolve. And if you're thinking about diving deeper, maybe learning how to use AI tools in your work, studying machine learning, or even building an AI-driven app, you're not late. In fact, you're just in time. Because the future of AI isn't years away, it's already here, unfolding every day, and the more you understand it, the better prepared you'll be to benefit from it, contribute to it, or simply make more informed decisions in a world powered by artificial intelligence.